Nobody likes to talk about it, but it's a lot more common than you might think.
At the age of 4, 25% are still wetting their bed. At the age of 6, 15%. And at the age of 18 plus, between 1 to 2% are still suffering from bedwetting. In the States, it's estimated that there are between 5 to 7 million children and teenagers that are still suffering from bedwetting.
Tal Sagi and his father Jacob Sagi have helped more than 30,000 children in Israel over the past 3 decades. Sagi says parents often make mistakes.
For example, a lot of parents wake up their child during the night. They try to help him. They want to, prevent the bedwetting. But by doing that, they're taking all the responsibility from the child's side to their side. They limit the child's liquids, which is not so recommended as well. They punish him sometimes. They compare him to other siblings.
Now they're offering their therapy program online. The kit comes with a state-of-the-art sensor and a plastic sheet. Parents input data on how often the children have accidents, and a virtual therapist responds. Both kids and parents like the interactivity, and the price is $250, as opposed to thousands for a live therapist. In Israel, much of it is covered by insurance.
So what the child gets is a real therapist speaking to him, asking him questions. He will answer by clicking the right answer with the mouse on the screen. And then he'll get the right feedback. So we managed to create a virtual therapist that is doing exactly what we've been doing in the traditional program.
Sagi says early results show the online program works just as well, and he can send it all over the world, even to Arab countries like Dubai, via Europe. He says he hopes to reach hundreds of thousands of children all over the world. For the Media Line, I'm Linda Gradstein in Jerusalem.